Go mobile. Hey kids, we all like to keep our personal mobile. So, let's make a mobile phone. Color the picture of given phone. Paste given stencil to make its cover. Follow the given instructions. Take out the given card stencil. Paste it accurately on the picture with the help of a tape. Upper side will be the brand name of your phone. Now, flip it upside to open your phone. Paste your father's or mother's photo, passport size, in the given space. Write his or her number, 10 digits, on the keypad. Your mobile phone is ready.